If you've been searching for a cute, quick, low manipulation style for the fall and winter, girl, look no further. I'm putting a Big Poppa defining gel to the test. I'm also using my favorite edge control. Push it and wait until you see the results. Keep on watching. I'm starting out on freshly washed, deep conditioned hair using my favorite hair mask. Check out this video if you haven't already. My hair is feeling soft, moisturized, and fully detangled. I also applied my favorite mango butter to seal in all that moisture before going in with the Big Poppa defining gel. To be honest with y'all, I had no idea how I was going to style my hair today. All I knew was that I wanted something different. I didn't want to do another wash and go style, even though I do plan to try the wash and go with the Big Poppa defining gel at some point. I just wasn't feeling that style today. Plus, with the high winds and cooler weather, I already knew my hair would dry out much quicker. So I decided to switch it up and go for something more protective and low manipulation. I put my hair through it all summer long. It was a wash and go summer instead of a hot girl summer. So now I want to give my curls a little break and lean into some cozy, protective, low manipulation styles for the next couple of months. I was literally making it up as I went. Whatever I felt like doing, I just did it. I knew I wanted a side part and I knew I wanted something hanging to the left, but I wasn't completely sure where I was going with it. But y'all see how it turns out. But one thing I knew for sure is I wanted this style to last for at least a week. But I am so excited to be using Big Poppa defining gel and Push It edge control. Within a short period of time, I have become obsessed with the Doux products and even more obsessed with the story behind how it all started. If you haven't checked out their website, you definitely should. It's so fresh. I'm new to this product line, but I'm already a proud supporter. I absolutely love how the founders built this brand and brought it to life. So let me read to you what I found on their website. Okay, so it reads, step into the Doux universe. Sucker free since 2009. Y'all, that's bomb. I like that. So it says, welcome to the home of the Doux, where textured hair gets the star treatment. And y'all should see how it's like the founder, she's sitting on a couch like a movie star reading a magazine. I just love the concept. The concept of this whole website is just so genius. Okay, so let's read. So this is the spot for salon quality hair care that actually gets it. Known for our loud and proud packaging inspired by 90s hip hop culture, we deliver professional results for all natural hair types. Whether you're rocking your coils or going sleek, our sucker-free formulas work as hard as you do, cutting styling time without cutting corners. From our signature mousse def, get it, most def, but mousse def, to game-changing Chief Rocka. Every product in our lineup is designed to make your texture the main character. Black-owned, boldly designed, and packed by 28 years of professional expertise. This is hair care with culture at its core. Period. Okay, I added the period at the end. But I mean, this just makes you feel like buying the whole entire website. I just love their story. So, okay, let's get into the founders. Okay. This is such a beautiful story. It says, meet the dynamic duo, Ryan and Maya Smith, co-founders at The Doux. Okay, so from 95 hip-hop love stories to building beauty empires, Meet the power couple making teamwork the dream. The real brown sugar story. Y'all remember Brown Sugar? Oh my gosh. I love that movie. I watched it like 10,000 times. Okay, so high school sweethearts who fell in love over 95 hip hop. Tribe, Outkast, Mother Mary, like Sweet Morning Dew. Okay, so now married with 5 boys, we launched a Doux from a U.S. Air Force base in Germany. Wow. And never look back as co-founders of, I don't want to butcher that, but it's OUIDOUX. Yeah. We've built 2 globally recognized salons and multi-winning hair care brands that's changing the game. Black owned, veteran owned, family operated, no corporate strings, just us building an empire while nurturing the next generation of Black creatives. For us, teamwork isn't what makes the dream work. Teamwork is the dream. Yes, period. And it says MB, co-founders, the Doux. Oh my gosh, y'all. I'm just in love with this product line. I'm in love with the founders. Yes, I'm in love with them. I can just look at this website all day long, but y'all go check that out if you haven't already. I love their products and I love their vision behind it, and there's quality products at that. So anywho, thought I should put you guys on. So this is it. This is the final outcome of the style I completely freestyled. And honestly, I'm really proud of myself for stepping outside the box and trying something new. I'm usually stuck in my routine of mini twists, mini braids, wash and go, and repeat, literally. So it feels good to switch things up, and with a style that's still low manipulation and gentle on my hair while I focus on protecting, saving, and maintaining my strands. I'm just wrapping my hair with a scarf to make sure the style stays intact while I sleep. And y'all, I'm a little nervous. I honestly don't know how this defining gel is going to act with this style, but I don't know if it's going to stay put or frizz. We'll have to see. I have zero expectations, but I am hoping it lives up to its name and actually defines something. We'll find out tomorrow when I get ready for work. We'll see exactly how this style held up overnight. I am pleasantly surprised, y'all. I am really happy with this final result. My hair is defined, the twists are popping, and the gel actually lived up to its name. I am so glad I discovered the Doux products. Thank you to my beautiful subscribers, my beauties, for putting me on. Seriously, thank you. I am extra glad someone suggested I try out the Doux line, because now I have found a new favorite gel and a new favorite edge control. Amazing. I adore it, and it looks even better with this style. So shout out to the Doux for following your dreams and giving us a real quality product line. I am very, very grateful. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.